Have you ever looked at your phone, no messages, no calls, and suddenly realized I have no real friends? That feeling hurts more than people admit. But here's the truth: most people who have no friends are not boring. They're not ugly. They're not losers. There's actually a hidden reason behind it. Reason number one: people stopped trusting others. Maybe they were betrayed, ignored, used, or replaced. After enough pain, the brain says, stay alone, it's safer. Reason number two: social media destroyed real connection. You can have 1,000 followers and still eat dinner alone every night. Fake attention is everywhere. Real friendship is rare. Reason number three: some people outgrow everyone around them. When your mindset changes, your old circle sometimes disappears. And yes, growth can feel lonely. By the way, if this video feels personal to you, subscribe to the channel right now, because this channel is for people who think deeply and feel deeply. Now listen carefully: being alone is not the problem. Staying isolated forever is. Here's how to change it. Start talking to people without expecting perfection. Not everyone will betray you. Second, improve yourself. Go to the gym, learn skills, read books, build confidence. People are naturally attracted to positive energy.
And finally, become the kind of friend you wish you had. Loyal, honest, supportive. Because real friendships don't appear magically. They are built. One day, the right people will find you. Not because you begged for attention, but because you became someone unforgettable. And remember, it's better to have one real friend than 100 fake ones.